Hey guys, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today we're going to go through two more important settings steps if you want. The first thing we're going to touch is your profile, your personal profile. And we're going to have a look at how to set up your personal data, adding your email signature, meeting location setup, meeting available hours setup, also how you can integrate with Zoom and with your calendar. And after that, we're going to have a look at my stuff being an area where you basically add your employees and how you set their user permissions and how you set the roles, also how to set up a custom voicemail and how to set the user availability for that particular employee. We'll also have a quick look at Google and Outlook calendar integration, which is pretty much the same like in your personal profile. So let's have a quick look here, and we switch here onto the main screen. So from here in AirChatty CRM, you just need to go at the bottom left in settings again, and in settings you will see you have profile. In profile, you can add first the personal data, such as maybe a picture with you. So let's go add a picture with me here, and then my name, obviously my email address. This is important. This profile email address, it's actually the email address that AirChatty CRM is going to use, is going to prioritize and use in your communication with your clients. Right? So the first thing to do is to really consider what email address will I use to communicate with my clients. Is it my personal alex@botwizards.io, or is it contact, or is it admin, or whatever? So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use admin here. And then this is your phone number. And then you should just click update profile after you've done this, right? Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see you have email signature. This is where you can obviously say kind regards, Alex, Jax, and just, you know, use your email address and your phone number. If you want to make this phone number clickable, just select the whole text, copy it, then insert and edit link, and in here in the URL put tell, and then column, and then the telephone number. And that's it. Whenever somebody is clicking that number, it's going to you know, launch the phone dialer, and they can call you. Now you can choose to enable signatures on all outgoing messages, or include this signature before quoted text in replies. Okay, let's choose this option first. Okay, now if you scroll down a bit more, you will see you have Zoom integration here. If you click connect, it's going to launch your API integration with Zoom. So you just need to sign in with your Zoom account, and then just like that, Zoom is integrated with AirChatty CRM. The same thing happens with Outlook calendar. Okay, when you click connect, this is going to log into Microsoft Online, and basically from now on you can just log in with your Microsoft Online account, and your calendar is going to be synced here as well, right? Then you have email two-way sync. This is super nice because you can connect and sync incoming and outgoing emails between your CRM and your personal email account. And if you choose to do this, then all your emails will be handled inside the CRM. You don't have to basically log in on Outlook anymore. You can just do it from here. You can receive and send emails from here, right? Now, on the right side of the page, you have obviously your password. You can update it from here. Then user availability. In meeting location, if you have connected Zoom, you can just click Zoom. And from now on, every calendar event that you have is going to trigger a Zoom link creation, which will be added, and people can actually receive this confirmation via email where the Zoom link is there, and they can, they can join, right? Or if you just have a meeting location, say Red Office, whatever, Alton building, probably something like this, your own meeting locations. Okay, then obviously time zone. For my profile, this is me, the admin of this this account. Okay, and then what are my hours? Let's say I work from 9 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. yeah, and then I just click apply all, and it's gone to all the days. Yeah. If you want to work on Saturday as well, click Saturday, and Saturday will be added here as well. And then there you go. Update availability. Yes, override this. And then that's pretty much it. Now, calendar configuration, no Google Outlook accounts added in the integration settings. You will see. So how we can do this next time. But basically, in integrations here, you can come and integrate with your Google and Outlook calendar. Right. So this is simple. Nothing to bring you headaches, so I can say. And now let's move to my stuff. Okay. Oh, sorry. Before we move to my stuff, let's go and check this notifications tab here as well. See, you can enable notifications, all sort of notifications that you want via in-app. In-app it refers to the mobile app, to the lead connector app that you can download and install basically for your CRM on your mobile phone. And then email, what do you want to receive on email, or what do you want to receive on text message? Let's go my stuff. And in my stuff here, it's just me for now because I'm the only employee that is declared for this business. Okay, so then I'll go and try to add a new employee. So at the top right here, add employee, user info. Obviously, what is the picture of that employee? Let's make it AirChatty. His name is let's say Robert Smith. Okay, what's the email address? It would be robert@botwizards.io, for example. What's his telephone number? You don't have to add this right away if you don't have it. Then password, you can create the password for that particular user. So let's go ahead and just create the password. Let's go to a random password generator and just create the password here. Right, I want to be 9 characters, and that's it. Now generate password. This is the password. Okay, and obviously you can enable signature from scratch from here if you want. Okay, now let's go to user permission. User permission is super important. Be sure you know who you give access and what you give access for. Okay, so if your employee is just administrative, I don't know, it's just taking some calls, not doing much, probably they don't need pretty much anything here except appointments, except contacts, except I don't even know, tags. It depends. Okay, so you can enable and disable any of the features that AirChatty CRM offers right from scratch from here. right? Then user roles. What is the person? Is it an admin or is it a user? It's a user, okay? Then call and voicemail settings. Remember, we discussed in the previous training about this feature where you can have a voicemail answer message for each of your employee, yeah, different for everyone. Then user availability, of course, if they use your Zoom, if not, you know, maybe they use Google Meet or a custom one, which time zone they live into, and then obviously again tick the hours and you select the hours and define the hours. And the calendar configuration will be something that will be he'll have access to after we create the integration, pretty much an integration settings, which we are going to do in the next video. All right, so for now we just click save. Right now Robert is going to receive an email with the link, the password and everything, so he can log in. All right, and then in Teams here, we have moved Teams to calendar settings as groups. Once we do the integration, you will see there are some more settings that we can apply to the team. And then here you have a selector where you can select between user and admins, and that's pretty much it. You have a search. Obviously, if you want to search for Robert and you have hundreds of employees, you just search for Robert and it's automatically filtering down. Well, I think that was about it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this, just like, and thank you very much for being with me today. Have a good day. Goodbye.